In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can delete all of your chat history in DeepSeek AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to chat.deepseek.com and log into your DeepSeek AI account. Next, what you're going to do is go to the bottom left, and then once you click on your profile, click on Settings. Here, you're going to go to Data, and then you have the option to delete all of your chats by clicking right here. But don't worry if you accidentally click on this. Once you click on it, you still need to confirm your deletion right here. So once you click on confirm deletion, all of your chats, everything would then be deleted and cannot be recovered. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.